Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about vehicle's name. Let's start the video. What is this? This is a bus. What is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a tractor. What is this? This is a bicycle. What is this? This is a helicopter. What is this? This is airplane. What is this? This is submarine. What is this? This is truck. What is this? This is road roller. What is this? This is a crane. What is this? This is a JCB. What is this? This is an excavator. What is this? This is a jeep. What is this? This is a scooter. What is this? This is a scooty. What is this? This is a motorcycle. What is this? This is a cruise ship. What is this? This is an auto rickshaw. What is this? This is a boat. What is this? This is a tram. What is this? This is a train. What is this? This is an ambulance. What is this? This is a carriage. What is this? This is a bull cart. What is this? This is a van. What is this? This is a camper van. What is this? This is a caravan. What is this? This is a cement mixer. What is this? This is a fire engine. What is this? This is a delivery van. What is this? This is a skateboard. What is this? This is a space shuttle. What is this? This is a cycle rickshaw. What is this? This is a harvester combine. Please subscribe for more educational videos.